Anyway, hi, Erin.
Hi.
So today I wanted to talk to you. I have a question for you, a real estate question. So my question is, when touring a home, if you're touring a home or if your clients are going with you or your friends are touring a home, whatever, what would you warn them against, or what are you looking for when you're touring a home in terms of red flags?
Yeah, that is a good question. And because really that initial visit to the property is your opportunity to see, do we keep going with this one or not? And if you have 3 or 4 homes that you're seeing in an afternoon, the tendency could be to maybe rush it, but I would recommend not doing that. So probably an initial red flag when you first walk in or that may catch your attention is the smell. If you smell something musty or moldy, and obviously, like just kind of those normal smells, but if it's distinctly moldy, that's a big red flag.
Yeah.
You kind of also want to look for any maybe fresh spots of paint that aren't, maybe just in one kind of localized area that could indicate they're trying to cover something up.
Gotcha.
Definitely look for serious cracks in the walls or ceilings. It may indicate like some settling issues or some prior water damage. And again, a lot of these things, if you really like the house, then you just make sure to do some in-depth inspecting afterwards. But if you are looking for more of move-in ready, then these could be some things to watch out for. Maybe look the yard if if there's some sloping towards the house, because that could indicate that you can have water issues or may lead to some foundation deterioration. So there's just kind of some things that you can look out for without needing like an actual inspector there.
Gotcha.
Also, you can kind of be careful about sticky doors or windows. It may also indicate like kind of a larger issue, but hopefully that helps.
Yeah, great. Thank you. That was great.